Last example we solve, example number 6. See, seventh example, quadrilateral ABC is a parallelogram. ABC is a parallelogram. This line B intersects ray AB with ray AB extend. Then this line B intersects in point T. Ray AB in point, like B intersects in point T. We have to show this BE, DE into BE, this product. C into T. This B, D into B is equal to C into T. We have to show this. Then how to prove this? Then AB parallel, this AB parallel CD. AB parallel CD means opposite sides of parallelograms are parallel. Opposite sides of parallelograms are parallel. Then AB parallel CD means AB extended AB also means AT is parallel to CD. AT parallel to CD. Then you take these two triangles BET and CED. In this, you show these two triangles are similar, means which BET and CED. In these two triangles, angle EBT is EBT, congruent angle ECD. This and this two lines transversal at this time BC. When two parallel sides intersect, then alternate angles are congruent. This angle and this angle is alternate angle. We can take this angle and this angle also, but we are showing only two pairs of congruents. This angle is with this angle because these two lines are parallel. At that time transversal is BC, then alternate angles are congruent. So EBT congruent angle ECD, alternate angle congruent. Alternate angle congruent. Alternate angle congruent. Then we can show this also. This angle with this angle. It makes Z here also. This angle and this angle. Two parallel lines, transversal same D, and alternate angles. This and this angle is alternate angles. So we have not shown that pair, but easy pair is BET, congruent angle CD. When two lines intersect each other, vertically opposite angles are congruent. This BET and ECD. One pair is this one and this angle is this and this angle is this. So here BET congruent CED, vertically opposite angle congruent. Vertically opposite angle congruent. Opposite angle congruent. Then therefore triangle BET similar triangle CED by a test. By a test. And therefore when two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Then B upon this C and this T upon D, corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. And taking cross multiplication, this D into B is equal to C into T by cross multiplication. We get proof by cross multiplication. So this is your example number 7. Then example number 8 is very easy. In figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P, and this AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. These two ratios are equal. Then you have to show only triangle ABP and CDP are similar. Very easy. Segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P. This AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Then triangle ABP is similar triangle CDP. We have to prove that. Take proof. In triangle ABP and CDP, these two ratios are given equal. AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Right? In fact, it's given. when two lines intersect each other, vertically opposite angles are common. Angle APB common angle CPD, vertically opposite angles, congruent. Therefore, triangle ABP similar triangle CDP by two ratios, two corresponding sets are in proportion, and including angle. See, this side, and in between these two sets, including angle is congruent. Pair of including angle is congruent. Therefore, triangle ABP is similar triangle CDP by SAS test. This is your example number 8. Example 9. See, in triangle ABC, point D on BC, side BC, such that this BAC angle, congruent angle ADC. It's given. You have to show that this CA square is equal to CB into CD. CA square CB into CD in triangle ABC point D on side BC such that this BAC angle, total angle, and this ADC angle is congruent. Then to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD, take in triangle BAC and triangle ADC, angle BAC congruent angle ADC it's given. Only we have to take one pair, that is in triangle ABC also angle C, in triangle ADC also angle C. So angle ACB common triangle TCA, this is common angle, common to both, common angle. Therefore, triangle BAC similar triangle ADC by A test. Then CB upon CA is equal to CA upon CD. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Take full form of this. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Then taking cross multiplication, CA into CA is equal to CB into CD by cross multiplication. And CA into CA is CA square and is equal to CB into CD. It's given to prove we got. Then we complete this 1.3 also. Complete homework of 1.3, 1.2, 1.1, and in test also. I am not send me test, and somebody also complete test you solve and send me once again. Remaining examples are also very easy. You try to solve remaining examples. Don't solve expected only, but more extra examples also solve and send me test once again. Let me see your marks are increasing or not. Okay.